Om Namah Shivaya. Yeah, it's totally unbelievable collection. It's a Goddess Mahalakshmi conch. It's a 7 lines conch with lotus on top. Goddess Mahalakshmi lotus conch, and the same conch also take a sahasra lingam conch. You can see clear 7 lanes in this conch. You can see clear 7 lanes in this conch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 lanes. This is for Goddess Mahalakshmi. And lotus flower on top. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Unbelievable collection. It is also a sahasra lingam conch. Before we have got like this conch with only 3 lines inside, but this conch is having 7 lanes. Very clear 7 lines. You can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Clear 7 lines. It is for Goddess Mahalakshmi, and top lotus flower. It is also for Goddess Mahalakshmi. So extreme Goddess Mahalakshmi conch. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Gives very good health and wealth in your family life. This conch will give very good health and wealth in your family life. You can also see the 25 Saraswalingam this conch. 25 Saraswalingam this conch. Totally unbelievable collection from Indian Ocean. By having this conch with you, you will get huge success in your business, and you will live very good, happy, healthy life. It is Goddess Mahalakshmi. This conch is Goddess Mahalakshmi. This conch is Goddess Mahalakshmi. Totally unbelievable collection from Indian Ocean. With 7 lines and top lotus flower. Same conch is also for Sahasralingam conch. Extremely unbelievable conch. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.